Let's address another set of earnings then. SK Jha, CMD at Mishra Nigam, joins in on the show right now. Mr. Jha, good to have you on the show. A strong second quarter for you. Is the margin outlook as well as guidance all set? And if you can share those numbers with us, what is it that you're projecting for both margins, guidance, as well as revenues?
Yeah, if you see in our second quarter of this FY25, compared to the second quarter of the previous year, we have grown almost 15%, and also it has been reflected in our PVT and PAT as a substantial increase on the quarter over quarter, and also we have good development in terms of controlling our inventory. And I'll say that more than that, many new products we have launched in this period, and because of that, there is some substantial increase in our export also. So export is almost, it was 12% of our total revenue. It was earlier around 6 to 7%. So export has increased in this period, and also the product which we have delivered, it was mainly for the high-end application, and especially in the sector like aero engine alloys used for the aero engines, and also many aircraft requirements for our domestic program. And we are also we are also working on many projects which is on, and Midhani has a very good opportunity to contribute for many strategic program for the country. So that also has given a lot of push in our performance in this quarter. So I am sure that our whatever we have done in this quarter, and it will continue. And our basic purpose of like I say that our work was to cut down our inventory, and that was the major part which we have taken the correction from the last two quarters. So this quarter we have got the better result also. Earlier there was some impact in the earlier quarters, but this quarter we have got the improvement, and mainly because of increasing our efficiency, reducing the consumption of our raw material. The prices of the raw material also has come down, and also we have utilization of our internal whatever we say the reverse and scrap utilization also we have increased our product. So that development in our technological work, which has really given a lot of push to this type of performance, and I am sure in the coming quarters it will have the further better impact will be seen in our performance. That's what I can say.
Morning. So that's a bit on your margins, but let's understand what is driving your segmental orders, and by way of that, what is the outlook when it comes to your order book guidance? Can we see it crossing the 200 crore mark by say March next year?
Yeah, order book is today as a 1st October we have around 1800 crores, and we have now the visibility of already this year we have booked more than 1000 crores order already we have booked, and we have the possibility of getting another 650 crores in our order book addition in the next months left for this financial year. And we are also seeing that the orders possibility is coming from the export also. So since our in export arena, we have done very good work by developing the new products, and that has been already qualified by the various leading aerospace organizations. So I am sure that in the coming days, orders will not be the issue. What we need that we have to increase our volume of production, improve our efficiency, and also cut down our processing time so that our inventory can be reduced. So these are the factors which is going to drive our company as far as the current market scenario is there. And I am sure in this area of niche metals and this market which allows Midhani is operating, there is still a lot of appetite, lot of market potential is there, either domestic or also from the export. So only we have to meet the expectations of the leading companies who are looking for fast delivery. They are looking for the optimum cost, and more than that, quality is very important. So those things are we are trying to work regularly, and I am sure that Midhani will be having a very good opportunity in the coming days.
Right. Mr. Jha, also wanted to understand advanced materials, that's, Defense Testing Foundation JV. When is it this going to commence production, and what are the new partnerships that you may have on the anvil?
Advanced materials JV is basically for advanced. This is used for the testing of the defense materials. It is called defense testing infrastructure. So under that DTIS scheme, we are having a joint venture which is coming up in Uttar Pradesh corridor, defense corridor, and there already JV has been formed, and we are just waiting for the initial formalities to complete the land acquisition and all. So I am sure that we will start the work very soon, and this will be a fast track work which already we have made the project proposal. Our DPR is ready, and also the many equipments which we want to buy, everything is specification and all we have frozen. So that will see the real this workflow will start in the next that is from by this January onwards, and this will be a very good facility for testing of the defense materials, which is required to fuel the growth in the area of defense production and defense manufacturing in the defense corridor of Uttar Pradesh. So it is going to play a very vital role, and Midhani is the lead partner. In addition to that, we have another 4 organizations. They are also part of our JV, which is having the 4. We have the PSUs, then we have one private sector. So this is the part of our defense testing infrastructure program.
Sure. And what about the Mark II project, the combat aircraft?
Yeah, we are in the aircraft already. We are working for Mark II. Mark II already we are supplying the materials for that is for LCA Tejas Mark II. So Mark I is already that is already in production. So there also we are our material is going now, but for the Mark II also we are working with them. So there, I think and that also we have many program for DRDO for development of aero engines, which includes Kaveri engines, and also we have many other small turbofan engines. So there we are doing a lot of work as far as the material development program is there. In addition to that, AMCA also we are making the various grades of alloys for developing our advanced medium combat aircraft. So that also we are delivering the materials for that program. So there are many activities going on the aerospace front. One is that side is the production, another side is the development. So Midhani is involved in both the activities as far as the aero sector is concerned. So that's why that is giving a lot of advantage to us to get the high niche end product coming from the international market also, because we have all the technology available for making this type and products, this type of alloys.
Just a quick last word then from you. What are your capex plans down the line, and how are you looking at exports shaping up? Just a quick take.
Capex this year we are planning to around in the range of around 60 to 70 crores, but we have next year it will see the more additions, and our idea is to do the capex almost to around 500 crores in the next 3 years. So that roadmap already we have made. That is for the modernization of our existing facility, and also addition of certain new facilities. So that work will be doing in the capex front. And export, as I told, export market is having a lot of appetite. And as we grow, we have the more and more volume of production we can make, more quantity we can make, more new product we can make. So it is possible to grab the higher amount of opportunities in the export market. So this year we are saying that export will be almost crossing to, will have the growth of 60 to 70% in the growth from the previous year. Previous year we had made around 67 crores, and this year we will be crossing definitely more than 120. So that will be our export. But this country will continue. I am sure in the future in larger quantity as far as export is concerned.
Okay, Mr. Jha, great to have you on the show. We'll let you go on that note. Good speaking with you as always.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.